In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Today I wanna show you how to use Twitter account. This is the home menu. Here is your profile. These are the tweets that I followed. Let's see. That look like Facebook timeline. Here you can tweet anyone. Click it. You can write maximum character 140 including space. For example, I write I love Pakistan. One space less the one character. This is the one way of tweet. Second, we can tweet from here. Click and write tweet. I am cancelling it. I write here. If you want to find same topic tweets from others, then you have write hash before the tweets. For example, I am writing hash Pakistan space I love Pakistan. Now click on Pakistan. Let's see, these all are tweeting about Pakistan. Share deal has won. Pakistan has won. Martin Kobla. A court in Pakistan today. Discover Pakistan. This is all about Pakistan. I am going to home menu. This time I am using @ sign. From this sign you can choose any person to tweet him. I write @ and name Zahar. I am choosing this one. I am writing I love Pakistan and tweet him. Now this person also received my tweet. This option is search Twitter. Here you can search any specific person. Let's suppose I am writing Zahar. You can see all the list about Zahar person. Zahar Kiskori, Shabaz Zahar, Mustafa Zahar, Sadia Zahar, Zahadi. You can search all the same name persons as Zahar. These all are Zahar names. Again I am going to back home. Here you can follow anyone. Just click on follow. I followed 3 persons. Now I refresh the page. Let's see. My following number have increased. Yes, I can follow others by same method. Just click on it. If you click on cross, then new will be added automatically. If you click on refresh, then default list will be shown. And if you click on view all, then all list will be shown. I am going to home menu. Let's see any tweet options. You can answer it from here. I am cancelling. Retweet means you can send to others. First write comment, then retweet it. You know you can like it from it. And this is the direct message. More option also available. You can copy this link. Embed tweets. You can mute it. And can be blocked. Report tweet. I don't like this tweet. Add to new moments. For today this is it. I will deliver 4 or 5 lectures about tweeters. I hope you like my video, and if you like, then subscribe my channel.